In previous video we had created our Google Adword account, and after that we had just did the billing in Google Adword. So let's start the first topic in PPC, how we can create our Google campaign. The first step is just log in with your Google Adword account. After login you will get this type of screen. If you're not getting, then just click on campaigns. You will find this type of screen. So to create the first campaign, what you have to do, just click on plus campaign. You can see on the screen you are getting this red button, plus campaign. It is giving you the options. The search network will display search network only, display network only, shopping, and video campaign. I hope you know the basic of all these type of different networks which are available, or this type of campaign which we can create. If you don't know, I'll be explaining step by step in my videos. So today I'm creating the search network only. Before making this campaign, let me explain, or let me show you, if you create this type of ad or this type of campaign, which type of ads will be available, or where your ad will be available. I'm just opening google.com. Whatever you search, for example, I'm searching PPC training. Whenever you search anything in Google, you will find these type of ads. You can have a look on the screen. 3 ads on the top of the web page, and these are this one first, second and third, these 3, and these 8 on the right hand side. These are the 11 ads which will be available if you create search ad, that is on search network. So now I'm creating the search network ad. Let's go to our screen. After clicking on plus campaign, it is asking for the campaign name. You can give any name, whatever name you want to give to your campaign. Then search network only. It is, since we had selected in the previous step, it is selecting search network only. Now it is giving you the 6 options. First I'm selecting standard and giving you the explanation between difference between standard and all options. Every time we have to select all features, but before selecting all features, I'm just explaining what is the difference between selecting standard and all feature options. If you select the standard options, Google will give you the few options or few ways to customize your campaign. Few customization Google will do automatically. If I'm selecting the standard options, you can have a look on the screen. If I'm selecting the standard options, Google is giving you the options to choose the different networks, edit and campaign type, above, create a new campaign. Google search network includes search partners. Google has so many search partners. If you select these options, then your ad will run on Google network as well as all the search network. You can find the number of network partners, search partners. You can have a list in Google, or otherwise I'll be explaining in the next lectures. Then devices, ad will be show on all the eligible devices. By default it is not giving you any option to select. In location, you can select the location, you can target the location, you can exclude. I'm not explaining in detail, I'm just explaining the difference between standard and all features. Language, basic option, bid strategy, it is giving you either you want to set your bids manually, or Adword will set your bid automatically. Always select manually your bids. Default bid you want to give, budget you want to select. Since I had selected standard features, you can see it is giving you 3 extensions only. These are the features it is providing you when you are selecting the standard options. But if you select all features, then you will find out there are the number of ways or number of options Google will provide to customize your campaign. You can schedule your campaign, you can select start date, end date, you can set the timings at what time your campaign should be visible, and other ad extensions also will be visible. Let's go to all features. I'm just selecting all features. Now I'm giving the campaign name. I'm just giving NidhiMam search ad because I'm making it for my own website, NidhiMam.in. You can visit website and you can find out more details. If you want that your ad will appear on the search button also, you can select this button, otherwise you can unselect this also. Devices, location, for example, I just want to show my ad to Noida. I just want to show my ad to Delhi. Whatever location you want to select, you can customize accordingly. Now you can have a look on the screen. Location options, this was not available in the standard features. Later on I will explain in detail on this also. This is just a basic, otherwise video will be of 20 to 30 minutes. So I'm just skipping this step. I'll manually set my bids or Adword will automatically set my bids. I'm just selecting the options. I'll manually set my bid. For example, I'm mentioning my default wages 20 rupees, budget I'm mentioning 500 rupees. See, this is other option, delivery method. It is asking for standard and accelerated. Again, I'll explain in my next video because it is just for how we can create the campaign. See, here we are getting the 7 ad extension. If you are selecting standard campaign, it was giving us the 3 options only. Now after that it is giving us the advanced setting, schedule the start date and the end date. Start date I'm selecting for 7 and the end date I'm selecting for 3 days later from today's date. After that it is giving you the other options you want to select. Timings also you can choose accordingly when you want to display your ads. There are number of other options it is provided in all features which we will be explaining in other videos. So right now I'm just creating one campaign. Now save and continue. I'm not doing anything. See, we are just created the campaign. This is our first step. I just created my campaign. Now in my campaign I have to create the ad group. Again it is asking for the name. Any name you can give. I'm just giving the name NidhiMam search ad. In search network you can create this 4 type of ads. One is text ad, dynamic search ad, mobile app, call only ad. I hope you all know the theory of the Adword, because if you go to the different institute they will always provide you the theory part, but in practical part they won't give you the practical session. Maybe 1 or 2 institute, I don't know which one is giving you, but most of the institute I know they are just providing the theoretical part. So I'm just giving the practical part. You can just learn free from these videos and practice your PPC. So I'm just creating, first I'm creating the text ad headline, which it should be of 25 characters. Whatever headline you want to give to your advertisement, how your ad should be appear in the Google. So you can see this is the how your ad will appear or how your ad will look in the Google. I'm just giving the headline, advanced PPC training since it is of 25 characters. I'm just giving advanced PPC training. Description, whatever you want to write you can use with the keywords. You can mention maximum keywords. Enter the maximum keywords in description line 1, description line 2 and the headline also. I'm not going for the keyword right now. I'm just showing how to create the ad. So just steps I'm explaining how we can create our Google campaign. display URL, whatever website you want to show, or any your landing page. I'm not explaining in detail, I'm just giving you the brief introduction how we can create the advertisements here. On the right hand side, this is how your advertisement will be visible if someone will search for PPC training. Here it is asking for the keywords. You can mention the keywords or you can select from keyword planner, which is available in this tools, which I'll be explaining in my special lecture for keyword planner, how we can use keyword planner to find out the best keywords matching our ad campaign. We can click on keyword planner and then I'll explain how we can go for that, but right now I'm just explaining. I'm just using few keywords by myself. I'm not searching from keyword planner. Later on we will make the best campaign and I'll show how my advertisement will be visible or will be at the top position. I just enter 4 to 5. You can see on the right hand side it is giving you number of keywords. You can select from here also whatever keyword you want to add to your campaign. So I'm just taking 2 to 4. After that, your bid, it is again checking how much bid you want. I'm just giving the same and then save ad group. This is since I was using Google Adwords, so which is not in the Google Adwords policies, we can't use that particular trademark. Become Adwords certified, join, let's see. Now it will save our ad campaign because Google word was against the advert policies. See, our campaign is created. You can check it. This was my ad group, NidhiMam search ad, and in this I just created the ad. This is my ad. You can have a look on this. Advanced PPC training, become Adwords certified, limited series only, this and this. Now here it is showing it eligible. Till now this ad is not showing on the Google network because I have not made paid the money. And the second thing is, once initially you will get the eligible status. Once it will get approved, this will be your eligible, will converted into approved, and then you click on keyword button, and on every keyword button it will show you the quality score. Later on we will discuss quality score, how it is important, how it is useful for our advertisement. Initially on every keyword Google provides us the quality score out of 10, but now it is for every keyword it gives us 6 only till our advertisement is not live on the Google. Once it is live, after getting few data, it will change the quality score. It will give us the exact status or exact quality score of our advertisement. So this is what we have to cover, or we had created in this lecture. How we can create our first campaign, in campaign how we can create ad groups, and how we can create our first advertisement. So this was for this lecture. Hope you understand this, how we can create the different ads. Thanks for watching my video.